Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel right over here and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video, we're going to do another beauty box unboxing. This time we're going to do Allure beauty box. And let's see if this little box worth the money. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel and let me introduce myself to you. I'm Steve, Mr. Jen All-in-One. My channel is focused on the following area: fashions, luxury, beauty. Because I have over 27 years experience in cosmetic, I also own my own cosmetic company, Yibu Beauty. And my favorite thing in the whole wide world, Disneyland. If you like the topic I just shared with you right now, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel because I release a video every single day. Alright, so Allure Beauty Box. I have this for a while now. I just don't think I always do review because it is so small. So basically it's a monthly subscription. It's $23 and the value is up to $100, and they usually contain 6 or more items, and all of the 6, they are usually the 3 items are the full size and the other 3 are the small size. So that's basically what I have here. So let's open this out right now. Allure Beauty Box is always in this container small, so not anything bigger than this you will not get it, okay? So you open it right here. It just right here is a very simple, very tight, very nice box. It actually give you really nice brochure, explain to you all the item in the box, either the founder message or product information. It's a lot of information, so I think that's really great. But I wonder how many people actually read this. And they also give you some product information. They also give you some discount code. It's actually a pretty full box, so you can see that. So let's just do this right way, okay? The first one is Lighthearted. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30 by Sunday Riley, and this is $35. This is full size. So the box is what? How much did I say? $23. So this alone is covered the box already. Sunday Riley is a great skincare line. I love their lactic acid treatment. So this is probably very good too. Let me give it a try this. This is really cute packaging though. Since I go to Disney all the time, I need this. Oh, this is interesting. The color is kind of like a hint of a pink. Very interesting. Oh, you know, the only thing is I can smell the sunblock. And it's very thick. Yeah, it's a pretty thick, pretty oily too. I don't know. I mean, I always feel like, you know, sunblock in the US is so behind the technology than Asia. Like Asia sunblock is so light, it doesn't smell. I mean, this just smells like it's something like I will wear this for go to the beach. Would I wear this daily? Probably not, because it's very, you can see it's very greasy. So yeah, I definitely don't recommend this for somebody who has a very oily skin or normal to oily skin. Yeah, so this is definitely a pass for me. You know, it's funny, here I'm telling you, oh my god, I love something already, and then it's like, oh, I don't like this product. Okay, that happens sometimes. The next item is by Alpha H, Liquid Gold with a glycolic acid. Whoa, this is $54? Well, the box is very fancy. It's a white box with a gold plated on the side. So what is this liquid gold? It contains 5% of a glycolic acid. It will help dissolve the dead skin cells. So this is toner, I guess. Let's see. Apply liquid gold into the clean skin each alternated evening. Okay, so they want you to use this alternate, not daily. That's good, at least they tell you that. So it is a toner. I can open the cap. Whoa, this is hard. Wow, this cap is really tight. So it comes like this, and then there's this liquid in here. It's gold. There's no smell. So let's check this out real quick. Wow, $54 for toner. It's pretty expensive because luxury brand like SK2 is only like $65. It has a pretty strong alcohol scent in there. Okay. Oh, okay. It does remove some of the stuff on my skin a little bit. I have to give a try. I mean, I'll definitely try because I like skincare. You guys know this. But I probably wouldn't put this back on because it's really hard to open. Yeah, it's hard. $54. Wow, that's expensive. The next item, it's by Allure. And this is Allure. It is a serum with an ingredient called BoxyCharm. I don't know what that is. It will soothe the skin, soften the fine line, minimize the breakout, and with a less potential for irritations because it's not retinol. BoxyCharm, it's an alternate ingredient than retinol. Okay, that's interesting. I have never tried this before. $20, not $19.99. So it's dual face. You can see that. I don't know, can you see it? So on the top, it's the blue essence. It's a soothing antioxidant like turmeric. The yellow serum is the moisturizing blended with jojoba oil. So you want to shake it together so you can see it. Like that. You see that? So let me just shake it a little bit. So you activated both ingredients, so it become like this, kind of like a greenish color. It's really pretty. Wow, this is expensive. $19.99, right? That sounds not bad, but you're only getting 0.33 ounce. Wow, that's actually very small. It's really pretty. It's a very beautiful visually product. Try it. Doesn't have a really strong smell. It doesn't feel greasy. I kind of like it. Okay, I'll definitely give a try. Especially I've been breaking out a lot due to the stress, so hopefully this will help my skin out a little bit. Okay, let's go on next item. By Need, it's the mineral bath salt, relaxing lavender. I used this before. They're not bad. And then this is not a full size. Full size is $20 in the little container. So this is probably their travel size, made in Germany. I don't know, you guys. I love take bath. Because bath is really good to help the whole body circulation, relaxes you, rejuvenate you. It's just really, really good. Okay, the next item. Oh, I like this. I use this. It's by Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I used this before. Charlotte, relax. She's having an issue right now. You good? Are we good? Can Daddy continue? Okay, thank you. So I used this before. Believe is a Korean brand. This is the lightweight moisturizing balm. It's good. I mean, it's a simple hydration product. It's fantastic. I used this before. Okay, the full size is $38, but this is the travel size. The next product is by Yibu Beauty, and I'm not sure what is this. Oh, it's a lipstick. It's a matte lipsticks. Wow, it's a very rich berry colors. $22.50. So this is the full size. So this time I am not sure if this is the full size because I'm not familiar with the brand. Okay, yeah, so this is not the full size. The full size is double the size, it's 20 ml. This is 10 ml. So this is not the full. So the full size are these three items right here. Okay, so again for $23, I don't think it's not bad at all. Again, when you're getting beauty box like that, it's kind of like a mystery box. You never really know what you're going to get, so you take a chance, So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.